Hi and welcome to this first video in our series of tutorials on how to use the DivorcePros platform. Today I'll just be showing you how to sign up for our service and how to get started. First thing you want to do is open a browser and you want to navigate to divorcepros.co.za. Once the website loads, you want to click the sign up link here and you want to complete the create account form. Type in your first name, email address. Make sure your email address is correct, as we'll be sending a confirmation email to the email address and you'll need to activate your account. Make sure to use a strong password so that your data stays secure in our system. Make sure your passwords match, and if you want to see what you have typed in for the password, you can click on this little toggle button here. Click on the I'm not a robot control and click the register button. You will see this confirmation screen telling you that we have sent you an activation link to confirm your account. So all you need to do is to go into your email and you will have an email waiting for you. Open the email and click on the activation link in the email. You will see this message that says your account is active, and it will also give you your username and your password to use for logging. You will now be able to log into the system and start the process. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to complete your profile once you've logged into the system.